let us recognize the Honorable Deputy Speaker, Janet Green.
Maraming salamat, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, narinig po natin yung mga brilliant legal minds sa mga miyembro ng Committee on Justice. At narinig po natin yung magkabilang panig. Let me go back to why we are all here. Andito po tayo kasi ginagampanan natin ang ating tungkulin when it comes to accountability of public officials. Kaakibat ng accountability na yon ay full transparency. Kaya naiintindihan ko at ramdam na ramdam ko ang kagustuhan ng karamihan na buksan ang kahon galing sa BIR. Subalit, nung andito ang BIR, napakaklaro din na sinabi nila na tali ang kanilang mga kamay, gusto man nila subalit may mga batas na kailangan nilang gampanan. Madam Chair, the thrust of the Committee on Justice is for accountability and transparency to prevail. However, hindi pa po tayo ang korte. We are not the impeachment court. We are simply determining the probable cause based on the complaints filed by the complainants here today. Ang puso ko ay sumisigaw na buksan. Subalit kung puso ko lang ang aking pakikinggan, ay pwede itong mailagay at malihis ang dapat nating gawin. Our heart can always speak, but our minds should prevail. Napakasayang ng ating sinimulan kung sa huli hindi tayo maging maingat. In this line, Madam Chair, gustuhin man natin, this is not within the ambit of the Committee on Justice. I respect the brilliant legal minds. Ako po ay hindi abogado, kaya ako ay kailangang manigurado na hindi tayo magkamali. Dahil ang isang pagkakamali ay pwedeng mabasura ang lahat ng pinaghirapan ng komitibang ito. Maraming salamat, Madam Chair.
In line with that, I just want to remind the committee members that since day one of our proceeding, we've been taking the conservative route. We've been taking the safer route because we acknowledge that we owe it to the sovereign Filipino people that this impeachment proceeding should be able to proceed and reach its conclusion. That is just for the record.